Thank you for your interest in Learn Affinity Publisher. This course aims to help you take control of your marketing. Throughout the course, I help you do that by teaching you the newest software on the desktop publishing software scene. As a designer and user of this software, I know that it has all the features you need to make your company memorable. Just to clear the elephant in the room, I've used the Adobe suite for about the past 10 years, and while it's excellent software, as a businesswoman and entrepreneur, I believe the features of Affinity Publisher make it excellent for designers, and the pricing makes it accessible to non-designers as well. They just need someone to teach them how to use it. And that's what this course is all about. Throughout the course, I'll be teaching you the software in 3 modules. Module 1 is about creating and setting up the document. In this module, I'll be teaching you about the user interface of the application and how to navigate through and find things within the program. If you're wondering what all those little buttons and symbols are at the top of the screen, I'm going to tell you how to find out. I'm also going to teach you how to change the units and preferences as well as the document specs. I'll also teach you how to customize your workspace so that you can easily access the tools that you regularly use. Module 2 is about designing and changing the document. Now, this is by far the meat of the course, so it's definitely the longest module. To make it a little more digestible, I've broken it up into 4 chapters. Chapter 1 is all about text. So in this chapter, I teach you how to edit the text, make the text seamlessly flow between text frames or pages. I'm going to teach you about character and paragraph styles, what those are, and how they can make your life a whole lot easier. In Chapter 2, I'm going to teach you about images. I'm going to teach you how to place and replace images, as well as how to quickly and easily adjust and edit these images. Then I'm going to show you how to format and space your objects. Chapter 3 is about colors. Now, you may not think there's a whole lot to teach about color, but the Affinity team has added some excellent color features that you may want to learn how to use. So I'm going to teach you how to change the colors, change the color modes and color values, and how to make your colors reusable throughout the document, the application, which is Affinity Publisher, and the system, which is the Affinity Suite. So you can use the same colors in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo as well. I'm also going to teach you about global colors, what they are, and how to use them. And that's actually just scratching the surface of the color features I'm going to teach you how to use. Chapter 4 is all about shapes. So I'm going to teach you how to create and edit lines and shapes. I'm also going to give you a quick pen tool tutorial, which is about how to create custom lines and shapes. And with an added bonus, I'm going to teach you how to practice using the pen tool. The final module, Module 3, is about converting and exporting the document. And in this module, I teach you about the finalization of the file. So I teach you about output formats, how to export or get your document ready for print, how to get it ready for web, or how to get your document ready for whatever you intend on using it for. So once again, thank you for your interest in the course. If you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my channel or visit the link below to show your interest in taking the course. Thanks for watching.